Hi guys, in today class I will give the solution for finding whether given number is perfect or not, perfect number or not. Then first you should know it what is perfect number. Then the perfect number is nothing but to find the sum of factors. Okay, the sum of factors are equal to the given number. Those numbers are called as the perfect numbers. For example, 6. Then what are the factors of 6? 1, comma 2, comma 3. Then 6 equaled, then 1 plus sum of the factors 1 plus 2 plus 3, then what is the sum? 6. Then both are same, that's why it is a perfect number. Okay, then I will give the another one. 28 is also perfect number. Then what are the factors of 28? 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 7 comma 14. Then sum. Then what is the sum? 1 place. Then you can sum up the factors. 1 place, 2 place, 4 place, 7 place, 14. Then what is the sum? Then here 14 plus 7, 21. Then 25, 26, 27. What are the 1, 3? 3 plus 4, 7. 7, 7, 14. 14 plus 14, 28. It is also called as the perfect number. Then you should write the logic to find the factors. Then find the sum of the factors. That sum is equivalent to the input number. Those numbers are called as the perfect numbers. Then see the solution for it. Then see here it is initialized. Sum is initialized to 0. The scanner class have been taken. Why? Because I want to read the input number from the input device. That's why I have taken the scanner class, which is found in the util package. That's you must import the package, otherwise it shows error. The next int method which are used to read the integer number from the input device. Okay, this is the condition. Then I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n by 2. Okay, then I plus. Here n modulus of I, because if it is 0, then which is considered as a factor. Okay, then here sum equal to I. One is the factor, sum equal to sum plus I. Because you find the factors, then sum them. Okay, this is the logic to find the sum of the factors. Okay, then once you find all the factors when condition written false, then for loop will exit. Then it is compare the sum with input number n. Then both are same, then those numbers are called as the perfect numbers. Otherwise it is not a perfect number. Okay, this simple logic you need to remember. Okay, this is a solution for finding whether given input number is perfect number or not. Then I will show you the solution. I will execute this program. Then see here what is the input number we should give. For example, I will give the input number is 5, because 5 is not a perfect number. The sum of the 5 factors of 5 is not equivalent to 5. That's why it is not a perfect number. Then I will run once again. Then 6. Then 6 is the perfect number. Then once again I will run it. Then 28. It is also perfect number. Once again I will run it. Then 56. 56 is not a perfect number. Okay, this is the solution to find whether given number is perfect number or not. If you have any doubt regarding this example, please ask me at any time in the comment box. Thank you all for watching my videos.